Seeking perfection has always been a key driver for Riva. No matter the size, every yacht has to be designed, built and refined to be seen by all as a masterpiece. Riva 58 Capri, the epitome of style and proportions. The design is the work of Mauro Micheli and Sergio Beretta by Officina Italiana Design, in collaboration with Strategic Product Committee and the Ferretti Group Engineering Department. She is 17 meters and 27 centimeters long and has a maximum beam of 4 meters and 74 centimeters. Her unladen displacement is 27.9 tons. The hull has been designed and built according to the CEA category regulations, the highest for recreational boating. From everywhere you look at her, Riva 58 Capri astonishes, as if you were looking at a work of art. The profile projects her forward in time and space. The large dark side window that almost reaches the stem at the bow, in which there are glasses and portholes, gives the outline a boost. The sweet curvature of the bow deck continues along the side before descending aft, over the bathing platform, seemingly set into the hull sides just above the waterline, adding a classic and iconic touch to this brand new project. The windshield and hardtop merge into a single splendid sporty curve. The roof opens almost entirely, sliding back and folding into a compact space, as if it wished to disappear and gift us the sense of freedom of an open yacht, while still providing the right protection when needed. A small portion of the roof rises against the wind, right above the helm station, allowing fresh air to flow in while underway. The mirror-polished stainless steel engine room air intakes are an unmistakable trademark, and their shape seems to echo that of the hull. The flush foredeck reveals the importance of pure lines. The gunwale is barely noticeable, the handrail is almost invisible and leads to the bow, where it's possible to shade the sunbathing area with an open bimini top. At the base of the windshield, as always, a reversed section, a stylistic hallmark that lends elegance and directs airflow. At the top of the windshield, the glass extends into the roof opening, stretching into the corners to emphasize that on a Riva, nothing is ordinary, everything is refined. Beneath the hardtop, 2 adjacent areas invite you to choose the best according to the occasion, shaded or sunlit, caressed by the breeze or sheltered by the roof and side windows. Sofas of unmatched beauty, quality and finish welcome guests next to the helm station or aft-facing, with eyes turned toward the sea. The wet bar serves both areas, stretching in length to house the appliances chosen by the owner. The table includes handrails and cup holders and, like every piece of furniture, displays the shipyard's craftsmanship. As a crowning touch, another sofa and, behind it, a large sun pad. 2 symmetrical stairways lead to the aft beach area. In the garage, there is room for either a Williams 325 jet tender. Among the available options is a gyroscopic stabilizer. The standard layout includes 3 cabins, the owner's, a VIP and crew cabin, each with an ensuite bathroom. As an alternative, in the optional layout, the crew cabin is configured as a guest cabin with bunk beds. Below deck, the unmistakable and fascinating Riva style is ever present, materials and shapes that express elegance, tradition and a true nautical spirit. High gloss woods, lacquered panels and mirrored polished steel shine and brighten the interiors. A masterful blend renewed on every new model, without ever losing the unique and international identity of the world's most famous and storied brand. The salon is fitted with the galley on one side and the dinette on the other. A full mirrored wall reflects light, creates a pleasant sense of spaciousness and conceals the TV. From here, there is also access to the dayhead, separate from the private bathrooms of the cabins. The owner's suite is located aft. The beam-wide bed is illuminated by natural light through a long window in which portholes are set. On the opposite bulwark is the bathroom, the shower, stall and all amenities. Amidships, the optional cabin layout with bunk beds that shares the dayhead. In the forward section, VIP guests enjoy an excellent cabin with wardrobes and ensuite bathroom complete with shower. In the engine room, two MAN V8 engines are installed, either 1,000 or 1,200 horsepower. Performance varies according to the chosen power, a cruising speed of 27 or 31 knots, and a top speed of 33 or 37 knots. With the Riva 58 Capri, the charm of legend lives on.